By far the best system, in my opinion, is the Apple CarPlay. Now, this has Apple CarPlay. It's only got the USB-C socket or input. So I've got my old charging lead here. My new iPhone 13 has got one of these USBs, but that's at home. So I've just put the adapter on there, click it in there. Then, if I see that's just touching it and it's moving. Anyway, then we plug that in like so. So that's brought up CarPlay. Now if I click, well, I can use this, look, to go down to the proper display. So that mirrors my phone. I can use that. I can use this to navigate through. You know, you've got Amazon Music there. You've got Audible, WhatsApp. Now I can put my phone. I don't need to, once it's connected, I don't need to use my phone at all. And also, you don't need to touch anything. In order to say something, you've got voice navigation here, or you can say, hey, SIRI, and it will wake the phone up, and then you can tell it. But what you can also do, you've got voice activation here. You click that button up like so. Navigate to McDonald's.
One moment.
That's not a good sign when it says that.
One option I see is McDonald's. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's. Starting route to McDonald's.
That's it. A button with go comes
Head
up.
northwest on Blackburn Road.
You can either select the go and just click yes, or leave it and it will automatically go. We'll just cancel navigation.
Route guidance not active.
Send text to Barry Crampton.
Which of these should I use for Barry Crampton? Work phone, iPhone phone, work email, or personal email?
iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Hey Baz, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this fantastic Mercedes-Benz GLC.
Your message to Barry Crampton says, hi Baz, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this fantastic Mercedes-Benz GLC. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
You'll now see I've just received a message from myself. Barry Crampton messages, so you can either click there or read messages.
Barry Crampton sent a new message. Hi Baz, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this fantastic Mercedes-Benz GLC. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
So, you can do all that without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Again, 2-second press on the voice activation. So, click up there. Call Barry Crampton iPhone.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Have a temporary greeting on. To keep your greeting,
There you go.
press 1. To delete it,
I'm
press
phoning
2.
I'm phoning
To
my
listen
own
to it, press
number.
3.
Well, that's how easy it is.
You have a temporary greeting.
Just knock that off. It's so simple. It's a great system, and it's getting better all the time. To go back to Mercedes-Benz, just click on it like so. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.